Okay, first of all, good morning to all of you. By the grace of great Vaheguru and great Dhandan Shri Guru Ramdas Ji, let us start our today's lecture. Today's lecture is most important of the quantum mechanics, particularly in this unit, and our topic is time-independent Schrödinger equation. Time-independent Schrödinger equation or time-independent Schrödinger wave equation. Or the second name is called a steady state Schrödinger equation. Steady state means which is not dependent upon time, which is independent of time. So see, this question has been usually asked by the frequently asked by the examiner in the capacity of 8 marks. Okay. So see, it is very important. Yesterday I have tell you there is a wave function. There is a wave function psi, and there is a quantity which is called a psi square. That is called a probability density. Okay. Now see how this wave function come. As I told you earlier, that see when the sound wave propagate, which quantity basically varies? Which quantity varies? Pressure. Pressure is a quantity which basically vary with respect to space and time. Similarly, as the light wave propagate, the electric field and magnetic field vector both propagate in space and with respect to time. Similarly, the quantity whose variation makes up the de Broglie wave is called a wave function. Are you getting the point? क्योंकि जब भी एक पार्टिकल चलता है तो उसके साथ क्या चलती है? एक वेव चलती है. ये किसने बताया था? डी ब्रॉगली ने. फिर उसके बाद श्रोडिंगर ने क्या बताया कि वेव नहीं चलती, पूरा एक पैकेट चलता है. When a particle move, then a wave packet get associated with the particle, and the particle must be within the wave packet. Particle must be within the wave packet, and the behavior of the particle is assigned by the quantity which is called a wave function. And psi square is called a probability density, which tells about the probability of finding the particle. And just as you have done this, the psi square dv is equal to 1 from minus infinity to plus infinity. What does this mean? The particle must be within the space. 1 means the particle must be there. Particle must be there within the space. अगर 0 कर दूँगा तो क्या जाएगा? Particle will not be there. Particle will not be there. So this is also called a Max-Born interpretation. So that is why, because I have told you, because this has a great significance. Okay. So let us come to this point: time-independent Schrödinger wave equation. Because this concept has been given by the Schrödinger. Okay. Now we have taken a particle. Consider a particle of mass whose mass is m and having a coordinates x, y, z at any point of time. Let us say that that time is t. Okay. Now see, let psi is the instantaneous value of wave function at time t. Okay. What is the equation for the progressive wave? हमने किया था ना लास्ट आर्टिकल में. आप देखिए वो था del square psi is equal to 1 by vp square del square psi upon curly t square. ठीक है. इन टर्म्स ऑफ डिस्प्लेसमेंट ये क्या हो जाता है? y हो जाता है. क्या हो जाता है? y. ये ऐसे हो जाता है. del square y is equal to क्या हो जाता है? 1 by v square into curly 2y by curly t square. But in our case we have replaced y by psi because we are dealing with the wave function psi. Okay. So you can write this equation also. Correlate these two equations. Correlate these two equations. This equation has been basically derived from this equation. ठीक है. आप 10+1 में भी करते हो. This is the equation of the undamped wave. Okay. Progressive wave. Okay. So we have replaced y by psi in equation number 1. You can write this in the note. Okay. You can write this in the note. Now see, Vp is called a phase velocity. Vp is called a phase velocity. Vp or u. Some books write u, some books write Vp. But instead of u, I have taken the symbol Vp. Vp means phase velocity. See, we have three kind of velocities. One is called v, and another is Vp, and third is called Vt. V is called velocity of particle. Vp is called phase velocity or wave velocity or velocity of matter wave or de Broglie wave. Okay, and Vg is called group velocity. Now see, this del square is called a Laplace operator. This del square is called a Laplace operator, and the value of del square is curly 2 psi upon curly x square plus curly 2 psi upon curly 2 by curly y square plus curly 2 by curly z square. So see, it is very difficult to write this equation, this long equation. But instead of this, I have taken this is a short version of the equation and this is the long version of the equation. Equation 1 and 2 are same. Equation 1 and 2 are same. 2 क्या है? 2 is the expanded form of the equation number 1. Okay. 2 is the expanded form of 1. So you can write 1 and 2 are same. Now see, this is the differential equation. What is psi? Psi is the wave function. Now I want to calculate the psi. The psi is the solution. The psi is the solution of this differential equation number 2 or 1. You can say psi is the solution or psi is the root. Psi is the root. Just as we are doing for the quadratic equation. Are you getting the point? जैसे हमारे पास quadratic equation होती है x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. What are the root? 3 and 2. So similarly, psi is the wave function and psi is the solution also. Now see, this is the standard solution. This is the standard solution. So we can write this psi is the solution of equation number 2 and 1. Okay. Are you getting the point? Psi is equal to a is the amplitude e raised to power iota k dot r minus omega t. अगर वन डायमेंशन में होता तो क्या होता? Psi is equal to a into e raised to power iota kx minus omega t. kx minus omega t. ठीक है? तो 3 डायमेंशन में ले रहे हैं ना? We are taking in the 3 dimension, so I have taken k dot r. Okay. K is a propagation constant or wave vector which is kxi k plus kyj k plus kz k. R you know xi k plus yj k plus z k. What is k dot r? K dot r is simply the dot product I dot I 1, j dot j 1, k dot k 1. So we are getting this. Now see, I will take the time derivative. I will take the time derivative of this equation. Let us say this equation number a. I will take the time derivative of equation a with respect to time. So this is curly psi by curly t. तो क्या आया? A is constant. E raised to power u क्या होता है? E raised to power u into du upon dx. So getting this minus iota omega. तो ये किसके इक्वल है? This is equal to psi. This is equal to psi minus iota omega psi. I will again take the second order derivative. Okay. So what I am getting? Again minus iota omega term comes. So this becomes minus omega psi. So I have used equation number 3 in equation number 1 or 2. 1. So this become this one. I have shifted this equation from right hand side to left hand side. So ये plus आ गया. Now what I will do? What is omega? Omega by Vp. Omega is 2 pi nu and Vp is equal to nu into lambda. Nu cancel 2 pi by lambda. 2 pi lambda is called a k, which is called a propagation constant. K is called a propagation constant. So I have used this value. So this become a del square psi plus k square psi is equal to 0, which is called a famous Dirac equation. It is called a Dirac equation and it is valid for the low velocity as well as for the high velocity. Okay. Now 6 and 7 are same. 6 and 7 are same. 7 is the expanded form of equation number 6. Okay. Now let us assume that let us discuss a case where the particle is moving non-relativistically. Okay. Non-relativistically means the velocity of the particle is very small as compared to the speed of light. Okay. Now in that case, kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. Okay. So I have deliberately multiplied by m divided by m. This mv is equal to p square by 2m. And we all know that lambda is equal to h over mv. This is called a de Broglie relation. This is called a de Broglie relation and lambda is called a de Broglie relation. Okay. h over mv. p is equal to mv. ठीक है? और h over p क्या आ गया? p is equal to h by lambda. p is equal to h by lambda. So what I have done? I have deliberately divided by 2 pi and multiplied by 2 pi. This h by 2 pi is called h cross. It is called a h cross. And h cross is called a reduced Planck constant. Reduced Planck's constant. And k is called a propagation constant. Okay. So p becomes h cross k. Now I use this value 9 in 8. So kinetic energy becomes h cross square k square by 2m. Now let us say that V is the potential energy of particle and E is the total energy. So what is the total energy? Kinetic plus potential. So total energy is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. So this is kinetic, this is potential. So what I have done, I have taken V this side and I will calculate k square. K square is equal to 2m by h cross square into E minus V. I will use this value of 11 in 6 and I'm getting this. So this equation 12 is called a space nahi thi. So equation 12 is called a time independent Schrödinger wave equation. Why it is called a time independent? टाइम नहीं है इसमें, t है ही नहीं इसमें, t वेरिएबल इज नॉट available, is not in the equation. So that is why it is called a steady state or time independent Schrödinger equation. Any doubt? Joseph, Benedict, Maiko, any doubt from this part? हिंदी वालों को समझ आया? बांग्ला वालों को देखिए बहुत ही सिंपल है. हाँ जी, कौन सी वाली? साई, ये स्टैंडर्ड है. किसी भी प्लेन वेव को हम ऐसे डिनोट करते हैं a into raised to power iota k dot r minus omega t in 3 dimension. अगर 1 dimension की बात करें तो ये हो जाती है a into raised to power iota kx minus omega t by assuming the wave is moving along the x-axis. Okay. So this is the standard. This is the standard solution. Any plane wave can be represented by this e raised to power iota kx minus omega t, where a is called the amplitude of the. Any doubt from this part? So you can take the click of this. खींच ली फोटो सबने? Okay. Now see, अब हम इसके special case discuss करेंगे. Question number 12 के. We will discuss the special case. Okay. So can I run this?
Yes sir.
तो जो मैंने कल कहा था वो 12 इक्वेशंस लिखी आपने बनाई? I have told you the flow chart. I have told you the to make a flow chart of the 12 Maxwell equations. One is a differential form, another differential form in free space, and third integral form of a Maxwell equation. That are most important. Okay. But anyhow, I will start from here. Del square psi plus 2m by h cross square e minus v psi is equal to 0. See, time is not there. Time is not there. This is called 12. Well, यहाँ पे देखो it is called a three-dimensional. It is called a three-dimensional time-independent Schrödinger equation for a restricted particle. For a restricted means particle is subjected to external force. Restricted means particle is subjected to a external force. Okay. Now let us discuss the special case 1. If we assume that a particle is free, if the particle is free, अगर particle free हो जाएगा तो क्या होगा? What is free particle? Which is not subjected to a external force. जिसपे कोई भी फोर्स ना लगे. जैसे कोई बच्चा बाहर कॉरिडोर में घूम रहा है, कोई फोर्स नहीं है, ना क्लास लगा रहा है, ना पढ़ रहा है, that is called a free particle. तो साइंटिफिक डेफिनेशन इज F external is equal to 0, जिसपे कोई फोर्स ना लगे. ओके. तो फॉर फ्री पार्टिकल क्या आ जाएगा? फॉर फ्री पार्टिकल V क्या हो जाएगा? 0 हो जाएगा. V क्या हो जाएगा? 0. ओके. पोटेंशियल 0 हो जाएगा. अगर पोटेंशियल 0 हो जाएगा तो इक्वेशन क्या बन जाएगी? 12. इक्वेशन 12 becomes क्या बन जाएगी? del square psi plus 2me h cross square psi is equal to, सही कर रहा हूं मैं? तो ये क्या आ गई? ये आ गई थ्री डायमेंशनल टाइम independent Schrödinger Schrödinger equation for free particle. मुझे क्वेश्चन पता कैसे आएगा? Derive the time independent Schrödinger wave equation for free particle. For a free particle or for a restricted particle. Free particle को जहाँ तक करना है. अच्छा इसको फोल्ड भी सकते हो ना डेल स्क्वायर को. तो ये बन जाएगा वही कर्ली टू साई फॉर कर्ली एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस कर्ली टू साई. लिख दो एक बार. कर्ली टू साई बाय कर्ली एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस कर्ली टू साई बाय कर्ली वाई स्क्वायर प्लस कर्ली टू साई अपॉन कर्ली जेड स्क्वायर प्लस 2me h cross square psi is equal to 0. 13 and 14 are same. 13 and 14 are same. Okay. Any doubt from this part? Any doubt? Case number 2. This is special case 1. Special case 2. For one dimension. For one dimension. The one dimension के लिए क्या बन जाएगी? For one dimension. One dimension के लिए क्या बन जाएगी? 1D के लिए क्या हो जाएगा? डेल स्क्वायर साई इज इक्वल टू क्या होता है? कर्ली टू साई अपॉन कर्ली एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस कर्ली टू साई अपॉन कर्ली वाई स्क्वायर प्लस कर्ली टू साई अपॉन कर्ली जेड स्क्वायर. फॉर 1D क्या हो जाएगा? दिस डेल स्क्वायर साई इज इक्वल टू कर्ली टू साई अपॉन कर्ली एक्स स्क्वायर. y and z part will vanish. y and z part will vanish. तो क्या बन गया? यहाँ से दो इक्वेशन निकलेगी. एक निकलेगी रिस्ट्रिक्ट के लिए. तो क्या आ गया हमारा? और सी now psi is the wave function. Psi is the function of x only. So this partial derivative can be replaced by complete derivative. Okay. तो ये इक्वेशन 12 becomes इक्वेशन 12 becomes क्या आ गया? d2 psi upon dx square plus 2me 2m h cross square e minus v psi is equal to 0. ठीक है ना मैंने? ये क्या आ गया? ये क्या आ गया? This is called a one dimensional. This is called a one dimensional time independent Schrödinger wave equation for restricted particle. This is called a one dimensional Schrödinger equation. Sorry, time independent. One dimensional time independent Schrödinger equation for restricted particle. For restricted particle. और फ्री के लिए क्या बन जाएगा? फ्री के लिए क्या बन जाएगा? v क्या हो जाएगा? स्पेशल केस 3. फॉर फ्री पार्टिकल वन डायमेंशन के लिए. फॉर फ्री डायमेंशन 1D के लिए. तो v क्या हो गया? 0. तो इक्वेशन 15 becomes d2 psi upon dx square plus 2me h cross square psi is equal to 0. सही किया ना मैंने? This is called 16. So this is called a 1D time independent Schrödinger equation for free. तो हमारे पास कितनी इक्वेशंस आ गई? We have a 4 Schrödinger equation. ठीक है? This is first 12 वगैरह तो सेम ही है ना? नहीं सेम नहीं है. 1 2 3 and 4. तो कुछ भी पूछ सकता है. So examiner can ask anything. Okay, so this is all about the Dirichlet also. These are the Schrödinger equations. These are the Schrödinger equations for various cases. माइक को एनी डाउट?
Yes.
Actually,
Yes, sir.
okay. So any doubt from this side? Any doubt?
No, sir.
आपको कोई डाउट का?
So this question carries 8 marks. 8 marks. 8 marks. Okay. 8 marks. Any doubt from this part? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Any question? Any query? हिंदी वालों के लिए, बांग्ला वालों को समझ आया लास्ट में? आदित्य, चलो थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू.